Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Our Math World. Today we are going to learn the topic number systems and comparing a set of 4-digit numbers from number systems. So let's start the topic. Here we took a two pair of numbers to compare. So how to compare two numbers, any two numbers? Always we have to start with the higher place towards the lower place. So let's start comparing these two numbers first. So what is the higher place here? Here the higher place is thousands in both the numbers. So let's compare the face value of both the thousands. Here if you see, both have 4 in the thousands place. So let's move on to the next digit. Whenever they are equal, we have to move on to the next place. So again the face value of hundreds in both the numbers are not equal. So which is greater? 3 or 4? 300s are greater or 400s are greater? Definitely 400s are greater. So here itself we can just stop comparing the number. We can just stop forwarding to the next place values, next place names, because here itself we got our answer that 4343 is less than 4433. So this is how we can compare both the numbers. If all the three digits, for example, let's assume here also it is 3 instead of 4, let's assume here also it is 3, and instead of 4, instead of 3 here also it is 4. That means all the first three face values are equal, 434, 434. Only in this case we have to proceed to the ones place again, which will be the same. So this is how we need to compare. For example, we can decide at the thousands place itself if both the digits are not the same. For example, let's assume instead of 4 here it is 9. For example, let's assume this is not 4, this is 9. So let's make it 9. So if it is 9, here itself we can decide that 9,000s are obviously greater than 4. So here itself we can decide it in fraction of seconds. So here 4343 is less than 4433. Now let's compare the next numbers. Start with the thousands place, 2 2, both are same, and the next place 9 9, again both are same, 4 3, both are not same. So which is higher or which is lower, or whether they are both same? They are not both the same, right? So here 4 is greater, that means 400 is greater than 300. So we can say 2943 is greater than 2934. This is how we can compare the numbers quickly. Our next question is, here they gave the question in the expanded form. So let's write it in the standard form. So expanded form is nothing but this is called the expanded form when we write it in sum of the place values. And the standard form is nothing but just a number. For example, let's say 736. This is the standard form of the number, and the expanded form of the number will be 700 plus 30 plus 6. So this is the standard form and this is the expanded form. So here they gave us the expanded form of the number. So let's convert it to make the things easy. They said 8 tenths. What is 8 tenths equal to? 8 tenths is nothing but 80 plus 9 ones is nothing but 9, and 60 hundreds. Here is a tricky question. What is 60 hundreds? That means there are 60 hundreds, which is nothing but 8 tenths is nothing but 80 plus 9, and how many zeros we should add besides 6? 1, 2 and 3. That is nothing but 60 hundreds is nothing but 6 1000. So what is 80 plus 9 plus 6000? It is nothing but 6000. Is there any hundred number? No, we don't have hundreds place value, right? So we'll keep it 0. What is tens? We have 8 tens, and how many ones we have? We have 9 ones. So the number is 6089. Now let's write this number. Here also 6000. We have hundreds here, that is 800s, but here we don't have tens, so it will be a 0, and we have 9 ones here. So now let's start comparing these two numbers. The thousands place digit is 6, so both are same. When we compare the hundreds place digit, both are not same. So which is greater, 0 or 8? Obviously 800s are greater than 0 So 6089 is less than 6809. This is how we need to compare. Now let's take the other example. They said 89 hundreds and 98 ones, which is nothing but 89. How many zeros? We have to just add the zeros at the end of the number. 89 hundreds is nothing but 8900. 98 ones is nothing but just 98, because whatever the number is, when we do multiplication with 1, we'll get the same number. And here let's convert this number into standard form. So this number is nothing but 8998. Now let's start this number. 8900s. Again they are saying 8900s, but instead of 98 ones, they are saying it is 89 ones. So which is nothing but 8900 plus 89, which gives us 8989. So these are both the numbers we got over here. So here actually we don't have to do all these things even. We can just compare over here, because they directly said the same number of hundreds without any confusion, right? So here there are 8900s, here also there are 8900s, so both are same. So we can move on to the ones. 98 ones we have here, but here we have only 89 ones, so which is greater? Obviously 8998 is greater than 8989. If you want, you can even go with digit comparison. 8 and 8 both are equal, 9 and 9 both are equal, but here we have 9 tens, but here we have only 8 tens. So in this way also we concluded that this number is greater than 8989. So this is the way we need to compare the numbers quickly. So let's take a different example. Here they asked us to make the greatest possible 4-digit number using these digits. So how to make a digit actually using these digits? And they told us to make the greatest number. So let's name the places. So 4-digit number is always about thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. So let's write numbers. So to make the greatest number, what do you think? What should be the thousands place? So to know that, we have to look at these digits and compare them. What is the largest digit here? 9. So 9 thousands makes the greatest number, greatest thousands. And what is the next greatest number? 4. So we have to write 4 in the hundreds place. And what is the next largest number out of 3 and 0? It's 3. So we have to write 3 in the tens place and the leftover 0 in the ones place. So what is the greatest possible number we can make out of 4390? It's 9430. For example, if I ask you to make the smallest possible number out of these digits, what you should do? To make the smallest number, we have to look for the smallest digits first. So what is the smaller digit here? 0. So what happens if we write a 0 over here? If we write a 0, will it make a 4-digit number? No, it will be a 3-digit number, because if we keep 0 before any number, it doesn't make any value. So we shouldn't go with 0 here. Though 0 is the smallest number, we should not opt 0 here, because 0 in the first place will not give us any value. So let's take the next smallest number, which is 4. So we have to write 4 in the thousands place. Now here we haven't used 0 yet, right? So we have to, now we can look at the 3 digits here. So here, what is the smallest digit among these 3? 0. We can keep 0 anywhere in these places. Since we have to make the smallest, we are using 0 at the hundreds place itself, because 0 hundred is less than 300s or 900s, right? So now what we should use in the tens place? We used 0 and we used 4. So what is the next smallest number among 3 and 9? It's 3. And what is the leftover digit? It's 9. So the smallest number we can make is 4039, and the greatest number we can make using these digits is 9430. So this is how we have to make the greatest possible number or the smallest possible number. And today I have a question for you. You have to make the smallest possible 4-digit number using the below digits 1930. Please post your answers in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.